Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that OneFootball Credits token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, OneFootball Credit is a native token powering football fan economy. With OFC, OneFootball aims to turn all football fans into active participants in a global self-sustaining fan economy. OneFootball credit token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. OneFootball credit token is listed on OKX, Gate.io, KuCoin and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.